Hi, my name's Celeste and this is Kitchening. So when I think creamy, this is literally one of the first recipes that come to my mind. Creamy mushroom pasta, and that's what we'll be doing today. I cannot wait to eat this. You guys should definitely try it. Let's get kitchening. So first I have my mushrooms, my onions, and my garlic all chopped up and ready for the pan. Now I have a pan of salted water on medium heat and boiling. And to that I'm adding 2/3 of a cup of small shell pasta. And then I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And I'll mix it to loosen up the pasta. And I'm going to cover the pan and let the pasta cook about 6 to 7 minutes for the pasta I'm using. But be sure to check the instructions on your pasta and strain it. Now let's move on to the sauce. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan, followed by 1 medium onion diced. I'm going to stir that together with the oil. Now I'll go in with 2 cloves of smashed garlic. Now stir it and allow the garlic to sort of grate the onions. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of white wine, and I just let that go for about a minute. After that, I add half a chicken stock cube followed by the mushrooms. So I cut my mushrooms 3 ways: half a cup of mushrooms cut into quarters, 1/3 of a cup of diced mushroom stems, and then half a cup of sliced mushrooms. I feel like this gives the sauce a lot more body. So I stir all of that together and I let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat to allow the mushrooms to release their juices and evaporate most of it. Now I'm adding 5 tablespoons of heavy cream, and then I'm mixing that together. And now for the seasonings. I'm adding half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried cilantro, and half a teaspoon of dried basil. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of black pepper and then salt. So stir, stir, stir. And then add in the pasta. So I was kind of trying to shake the pasta into the pan, but it was very likely to spill, so I decided to use a wooden spoon. Now get it all in there, no pasta left behind. So I'm gonna get that all mixed up, and I lowered the heat even more, and I'm gonna leave that in there for about a minute to allow the starch to thicken up the sauce. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shredded edam cheese to make it even creamier, to enhance the taste, and also because it's cheese. So I'm serving and topping with grated cheese and garnishing with black whole olives. And I'm off to eating. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.